Hey, can we do this later? I only take so much and no more. Oh, you got the wrong airlock. You know I can't let you through here. Geez, and I thought I had a long night. You look like hell. I don't suppose the day's gonna be any easier.
Quite a nasty piece of work you managed over there. I am impressed.
Don't ask me.
I have recommended your services to my employers. And they have authorized me to offer you a job.
What are you trying to do? It can't get any worse than this, can it? Hey, step off, buddy. With friends like you, man, bring it on!
It's hard
What do you want on your tombstone? I got another one! Got one! Bring it on! Yep, all that target range time is gonna pay off today. End of the line. Don't bet on it.